Hello everyone, this is Jim Okersinski with your weekly screencast video. So, as I say here, I understand that it is a holiday week. However, we must keep the activity moving along. I've tried to keep this to a minimum with only one assignment due on Sunday the 26th, which is the annotated bibliography. So let me get over to the course unit and we'll talk about that and let you know what I've done. Here is the review of literature project. Now I want to point out some of the activities and resources that would be beneficial for you to review if you have not done so already. So chapter 14, sections 14.1, 14.2, and 14.4 are important in explaining and help understanding the annotated bibliography. The Purdue Owl has a link to a citation guide to help you format your citations for the annotated bibliography. Also, you can use EasyBib. It's a website out there that has a citation generator, much like the Purdue Owl site here. Now, for your researching for the annotated bibliography, I want to suggest the Google Research Tips. It's a short 5-6 minute video which will give you some good information to search Google and Google Scholar. Okay, the database searching video from the COD library, if you have some time, it's about 30 minutes long, and it'll help you there. Okay, so you want to be aware of that. Now, also here on the assignment for the part one, the annotated bibliography, I have uploaded 3 samples here. These are the exact samples that I covered in last week's lecture video. You can open them up, their PDF format. You can look them over. Good examples of both, of the annotated bibliography. Also, they come out of both the cultural artifacts and also the review assignment, so that'll help there. What's important too for the annotated bibliography this week will be the understanding of what's an annotation, right? The 3-part structure. They introduce the article of the author, what their qualifications are, what their credentials are, what makes this a good source. Summarize the main argument and key points of the article. Remember, no quoting and summary. And respond to what you find most interesting, confusing, convincing. Explain how the source helps you gain a deeper understanding of your question. All right, so it's 3 parts there. I believe for the most part, all of the annotated bibliography examples demonstrate this structure. Okay, so those are uploaded there. Those are the really the necessary tools to get you moving in the right direction. I'd like to point out another course unit right here. You might want to get a jump on this. This is the using and citing sources. We have here the 3 principles of citation, which will work well as you move forward in using the source information that you have. So I hope everybody is pointed in the right direction. Of course, I'm always recording these on Sunday, and I haven't reviewed some of the topics that I've seen in the discussion board in detail. I looked and I saw some pretty good potential topics happening out there for the review of literature project. All right. So once again, I'll probably end up pushing out a lecture video somewhere around Wednesday morning. And after that, like everyone, it's a holiday for me. So good luck. I will be checking emails, so you can find me in email land.